Here are 10 cheap classic cars and project builds for sale right now across the U.S., from big block cruisers and C3 Corvettes to vintage trucks, muscle cars, and budget Miatas. Number 1. 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $4,300, Manchester, Pennsylvania. This low-mileage 1977 Ford Thunderbird comes with a 400 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and a long list of extra parts. The seller says it runs and drives well, and features like the radio, hidden headlights, and factory accessories still work properly. It's been upgraded with a Holley carb, Edelbrock intake, MSD ignition parts, and even includes a new aluminum radiator and car cover. Rust seems minimal, with only one visible spot mentioned near the rear wheel, making this a pretty interesting old-school luxury cruiser for the price. Number 2. 1993 Mazda MX-5 Miata, $7,850, Mineral Bulf, Georgia. This 1993 Miata looks like a clean and well-kept NA Roadster with a 5-speed manual and rear-wheel drive setup. The seller says maintenance has always been kept up, and both the interior and convertible top are in very good condition with no tears. The only real flaw mentioned is a small crack on the dashboard. Other than that, it sounds like a dependable driver with a desirable glass rear window upgrade and classic lightweight Miata driving experience. Number 3. 1979 Plymouth Volera, $7,000, Defiance, Ohio. This Plymouth Volera keeps things simple with a 360 V8 and 727 automatic. The seller describes it as a solid cruiser with no trades considered, suggesting it's mainly aimed at someone who just wants an affordable vintage Mopar to enjoy. Not much extra detail is provided, but the drivetrain combination is definitely a plus for Mopar fans. Cars like this are getting harder to find untouched, especially ones that still run and drive. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet C10 CST, $7,500, Albertville, Alabama. This lowered 1970 Chevy C10 has the classic street truck look, with a 350 V8, turbo 350 transmission, disc brake conversion, and 17-inch torque thrust wheels. The seller says it runs and shifts great and has already received several cosmetic and interior upgrades. It's still not perfect, but it sounds like a usable driver with decent bones and fresh rocker panel work already completed. For someone wanting an affordable square-body era truck before prices climb even higher, this could be a fun cruiser project. Number 5. 1981 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, $8,500, Fort Wayne, Indiana. This silver 1981 Corvette combines classic C3 styling with a reportedly upgraded 400 horsepower engine setup. The seller says the automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the car runs strong while still remaining streetable and reliable. With T-tops, decent cosmetics, and extra performance upgrades, it sounds more like a driver-focused Corvette than a show car. For buyers wanting a C3 with more power than stock, this one could be worth a closer look. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $10,000, Cumberland, Maryland. This '79 Camaro comes with a rebuilt LT1 350, rebuilt turbo 350 automatic transmission, and 4.10 Richmond gears with posi traction. According to the seller, the car runs very strong and gets attention everywhere it goes. The build also includes a Holley carb and ratchet shifter. It still needs a heater core, and the wipers hit the cowl hood, so some adjustment work is needed. Overall, it sounds like a fast street car with a few unfinished details left to sort out. Number 7. 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. $6,500, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This black-on-black 64 Thunderbird is powered by a 390 V8 with power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. The seller says the car runs, drives, and stops like it should, despite sitting for a while. It's not a perfect car, though. There's rust in the trunk and floorboard areas, so buyers should expect some restoration work underneath. Still, for the price, it looks like a usable classic cruiser with solid style and decent mechanical condition. Number 8. 1976 Ford Elite. $4,800, Dyer, Indiana. This 1976 Ford Elite is powered by a 351 engine with dual exhaust and factory aluminum wheels. The seller claims it's been reliable enough for regular road trips and says the car runs, drives, and stops without major problems. Paint quality is driver level and there's some light rust in places, but the car appears mostly solid overall. It still keeps small factory details like the hood ornament and original rubber floor mat, making it an interesting survivor-style personal luxury coupe. Number 9. 1977 Dodge Monaco. $4,950, Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 77 Dodge Monaco is equipped with a 318 V8, rally wheels, power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. The seller says the car runs and drives and still wears its original paint with a clean-looking interior. The biggest issue mentioned is a bad brake line, and the car is still sitting on a trailer while being worked on. With only around 60,000 miles claimed, it could be a decent affordable Mopar project once the brake system is repaired. Number 10. 1969 AMC Rebel. $1,000, Greenville, Pennsylvania. This 1969 AMC Rebel is basically a budget project car with very little information provided in the listing. The seller bought it with plans to restore it, but never got around to starting the project. At only $1,000, it's likely being sold mostly as a project platform or parts car. For AMC fans or someone wanting an unusual classic to build, it could be an interesting starting point depending on the actual condition in person. Which one would you take home for the money? The boosted Corvette, the classic C10, or maybe that $1,000 AMC Rebel project? Drop your favorite in the comments and subscribe for more affordable classic car finds every week.